Hello, welcome to AI Factory. Level up your YouTube channel for free. If you want to start your YouTube channel but don't have a design background, stick around until the end of this video. I'll show you how to easily create a YouTube channel logo, banner, and thumbnail using free tools. Unleash the power of Canva, a user-friendly online design tool that's perfect for creators on a budget. Canva offers not just a free plan, but a special forever free account for educators and schools everywhere. Canva makes design a breeze. No experience needed. Whip up eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, scripts, channel art, and banner ads in minutes. For instance, if you type YouTube in the search bar, you'll find many great YouTube thumbnail templates to choose from. If you search for YouTube logo, various YouTube channel logos will appear. I want to create a channel about healthy food, and my first step is to design a logo. I search for logo templates and find one that I like, simple and neat. I click on it to open the editor page. Using the mouse, I select the text under the icon and replace it with my desired text. From the top menu, I can change the font, size, and background color. Canva offers me 3 color choices for this logo. If I prefer not to use a solid background, I can choose an image from Canva's material library. I like this simple logo, so I click on Share and select the first option to download it. Use this logo directly and upload it to your YouTube channel. Next, for designing the channel banner, go back to Canva and search for YouTube banner. You'll see plenty of ideas. Since my channel is about healthy food, I selected one with a simple and clean design. By clicking Customize this template, you enter the editing page. Simply change the name and slogan. I want to change the background color to green to match the logo, then download it. Your YouTube banner is done. We can preview how the banner will look on mobile phones, PCs, and TVs to confirm the size. Next, we'll use Canva's extensive library of materials to design a high click-through rate video cover. Return to Canva and search for YouTube thumbnails. You can choose a suitable template from the material library. For example, many YouTube thumbnails feature a person performing an action related to the title to attract viewers. I select one and click on the editing page. First, replace the text content, adjusting the size and position as needed. You can replace the person by clicking on Elements, Photo, to find one, but in this case, I don't need to change. I search for something related to T, from photos to graphics. I find one and place it in the correct position. You can also import images from your local files. Canva provides professional templates suitable for different industries and styles. After a few simple modifications, I can use it directly. You can also create impressive opening videos and welcome animations in Canva. For example, select a simple opening animation template and enter the editing page. Modify the text in the template by replacing it with your desired text and set the appropriate size and position. Once the design is complete, click the play button below to preview the effect. Canva supports up to 4K resolution output. Canva also provides templates for YouTube video endings. For instance, you can add your channel logo in the center and feature popular videos on both sides to make it easier for users to watch more of your content or subscribe at the end. In addition to the features mentioned above, Canva is also great for designing video clips. Simply enter France in the search bar, and you'll find many videos related to France. These clips are available for use without any copyright concerns. For more YouTube content ideas, be sure to visit my channel for inspiration. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.